evening. Today we're going to be making roast tri-tip. We're going to roast this actually the exact same way I used to do the roast for my French dip sandwiches at the restaurant. I know a few of you have been asking me how to do that. If you do make a French dip with this, it will actually ruin French dips to have anywhere else. So we'll go over what we're going to need first. I'm going to use my Chipotle barbecue spice. Now you can, because we are almost sold out of this and I am not restocking it till next June, can actually use the Cabela's maple jalapeno seasoning. That's actually what I used to use before I started making my own. Of course, I like my own better, but that's a very, very close substitute. We are going to use the cheapest possible au jus mix that you can buy. I tried 10 different types of au jus, and I remember even when I was going into the restaurant supply store to buy this stuff, the guy at the checkout counter was like, you know, if you read the first two ingredients, it's just fat and salt is the first two ingredients before even the beef. And I said, yeah, but I tried all these other ones and I got to add butter and salt to it to make it taste good. So I might as well get the one that's already in there. This stuff's like $2 at cash and carry, and you can just make gallons of stuff with this. And it tastes wonderful. We're going to use a tri-tip. Got choice tri-tip today, and then you'll need an injector. Do not need this. You have to use a little bit warmer water if you're not going to blend it up, but I just like to go the easy route. Let's get this tri-tip open. I picked this tri-tip mainly just because it had just such an even fat layer all the way across it. We're going to leave all that on there. That's all good flavor. Let's get the mix ready. You're going to need about 2 ounces, 4 tablespoons or so of the Chipotle barbecue spice, beef stock here, and about 2 heaping tablespoons full. That'll work just fine. The cool thing about using the au jus, I mean, I know you can make your own au jus, and we can actually use the jus from this afterwards. But when you actually inject it with beef flavor, it's just even better. I mean, if you're gonna make French dip with this, you're gonna dip it in the au jus. But cooking it in an au jus is just makes it amazingly moist and delicious. Okay. Let's get this in here, just like so. Okay, get this mixed up. 3 to 4 cups of water here. Put that in there. And blend it on up. Let's get this injected. And we're going to put our holes probably 1 to 1.5 inches apart here. Just want to plump this up as much as we possibly can. All right, we got it all injected here. We got our smoker preheated to 400. Looks like it's sitting at 406, so we are ready to go. We're going to throw that in the smoker here. A couple hours later, depending on the size of your meat, I'm guessing this one's going to take about 2 hours. It will be ready to go. Put that right on in there. Toasty. All right. Okay, so we got our tech prong at either end. We're gonna go for, right around medium, 235, 240. It's kind of like the way I like my roast beef. You can do medium rare if you like. We did it well done at the restaurant just because I wanted to make sure that there was no way that there's gonna be any issues whatsoever, especially when you're having other people cook it that haven't done it very much. So I did all well done there, and it still came out moist and tender this way. So if you're a germaphobe and you like your stuff well done, this is the way to do it. If you're not, it's still the way to do it. It's going to be even more tender, even more flavorful. Got our tri-tip out of the smoker. The temperature probes actually faulted out, and they all say 32 degrees. But it's looking like we're done. So we're going to check this out. It's been in there about an hour and a half. I have not made it this way for probably 3 years. And this was my favorite thing in the restaurant when we pull it out and cool it down. It is amazing. See if I guessed right with the doneness. We'll see what it looks like inside. A little bit more towards the well side, but as you can see with that au jus in there, it is just super, super juicy. And the flavors all the way through. At the restaurants, we'd actually cool it down completely before we slice it. We'd slice it up. And then when somebody ordered it, we'd actually throw it on the grill with a mixture of Parmesan, actually 3 different types of Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of garlic salt. And then we toss some of the jus on the grill and first put it on the grill, then some cheese, and then toss a little bit of jus on the top. Cap it off with a basting cover. That way that cheese and that jus gets down in the meat. And then we use Coeur d'Alene French rolls from Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Toast them on the top and the bottom. And you got your au jus right there in the pan. You don't have to add anything to it. The way it is perfect. And you will have the best French dip you ever had. This is a working mussel, which means it's supposed to be tough. And even though we didn't cook it quick, we cooked it about an hour and a half, hour, 45 minutes. And it is still melt in your mouth, juicy. And it only takes about less than 5 minutes to prep it up. Well worth it. Let's try a piece of this fatty.